Refried beans is one of the most iconic side dish in Mexican cooking, and today we're Tex-Mexing them up with bacon. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to make them from scratch. Today we're making one of the most iconic side dish in Mexican cooking, Frijoles Refritos, or refried beans. Refried beans are a staple in both Mexico and the US. They're served with tacos, enchiladas, rice plates, you name it. In my family, we always made them with pinto beans, but you can absolutely use black beans too. Either way, they're smooth, creamy, and totally delicious. The classic version is simple and comforting, but today we're giving it a Tex-Mex flair with crispy tocino, bacon, and a sprinkle of cheese on top. Now let's get to it. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. We start by making our basic frijoles de olla, or just beans cooked in a pot. That's home-style cooked beans until tender. For our frijoles de olla, we will need 2 cups of dry pinto beans, 6 to 8 cups of water or enough to cover the beans by 2 inches, half an onion, 6 whole garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And to make our home-style beans into refried beans, we need 4 strips of bacon cut into small pieces, 1/4 of a white onion finely chopped, 4 cups of cooked pinto beans, 1/3 cup of bean broth, and queso fresco or shredded Mexican cheese blend for serving. We begin by rinsing and soaking 2 cups of pinto beans in 6 to 8 cups of water, enough to cover the beans by about 2 inches. Let them soak overnight. The next day, drain and rinse the beans again and place them in a large pot. Now that our beans are rinsed, we add our onion and we add our bay leaves and garlic. We're gonna add water to cover everything. Let them cook for 2 hours and check every so often to make sure the beans are still covered with water. If you need to add more water, make sure that it's hot because we want to keep the cooking consistent. The beans are soft now, so we add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now that your frijoles de olla are cooked, we move on to making our refried beans. In a pan over medium heat, we're going to cook our bacon now. And we want to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Now that our bacon is ready, we added our onions so we can cook them too. We're going to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. We're ready to add our beans. So we add our 4 cups of beans and our bean broth. We don't want our beans to be dry, so we want to make sure that we add a little bit of broth. Our beans are boiling, so they're ready to be mashed, but first we want to make sure that everything is well mixed. The onions and the tocino, the bacon, needs to be well mixed with everything so that we can mash everything together. Now let's grab our masher and we start mashing. They can be really smooth if you want, or they can have more texture. It's up to you. Just keep mashing until you get the texture you like. And there you have it. Now you should try it to adjust for salt. And if you want to Tex-Mex it up a bit, we can add a little bit of shredded Mexican cheese blend. Or if you want to make it a little bit more traditional, we add queso fresco. And there you have it, refried beans. If you like this recipe, please like, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!